is this? New gear. Someone's back. It's been a while. Oh, I'm not dead, guys. I'm back. BikesOmega is back. And I've been gone. Hey, here's the deal. I've been away, but I'm back to riding. I had to sell my bike because I moved out of the country. I moved to Europe, and I just didn't feel comfortable riding a bike there. Germany, no speed limits, whatever. Hey, I'm back in the States. I got a new bike, and I'm going to show you guys. But first, I wanted to show you what I'm riding with because, you know, safety gear's always a big thing. I picked up a bike that was pretty sweet. It's a, I don't know if you can guess what it is, but we're about to see it. I'm gonna walk out and show you guys. Let's go. All right, now I have the bike right here. But before I show you, I want to show you this this helmet shield. What it does is pretty cool. It's transitional. So it's pretty clear right now. But when you take it out into the sun, I don't know if we can see it on camera. Just see my hand, watch it change. It goes from light to dark. So you can see my hand fading away there. And it changes, so you don't have to change out your helmet shield. Pretty good purchase, so if you don't want to worry about carrying around extra visor. It gets darker as it stays out. It takes about 2 minutes to get fully dark. But I just want to show you guys that. On to the main event though. You ready? Oh, here it is. This is CBR 1000, my new bike, Repsol edition, which is if you don't know, I think it's an Italian shaving cream. No, sorry, not Italian. Spanish or Spain, somewhere, some other country shaving cream sponsoring brand that does bikes. Excuse me for my ignorance on it. We have this exhaust, which I'm going to show you. It sounds sweet because the stock exhaust in this is not good. Let's turn it on. I'm about to go for a ride, so I gotta let it warm up. Orange rims, always a plus. The clutch and brake levers are racing style. Got these little spikes added, very sharp. Whew. All right, let's fire this up. Oh. New bike, like I said, I'm back. Hard to hear me over this thing, it's a monster. And got a little spider web front there. I'm about to take it out, but coming soon is going to be a lot of content. I'm going to get a GoPro, some video vlogs, so do me a favor and like this video, please. Here it is, POV, and my helmet about to take off, but I just want to show you guys the rev sound. Check it out. Oh, it sounds good. There we have it. Put this thing up. I wish I could take you guys for a ride with me. I do, but thing is, I just need a GoPro camera. Just moved, still getting things settled in. I just need to find the right time to buy something like that. And I need a microphone set up. Got my little microphone, and there's my bike cover over there. But yep. Please, I just started Instagram. I'm trying to start stuff up again. I have a BikesOmega is on Instagram. I'm gonna start some t-shirts going. So t-shirt giveaway, like this video, comment, and follow that page, and I'll choose someone to get a free design. It'll be good quality, like a Nike or something. So please. I'm coming back. We're going to have video vlogs. We're going to have tutorials, maintenance things. But thanks for following. I still don't have a TV. I got this nice ping to look at, though. All right. This is my entertainment.